Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I have started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join and we are going to see now the teaching vacancies notification from the two colleges. Here the opportunities are there for the PG, UGSNet, non-UGSNet and the PhD candidates. So let us see the details regarding this one. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGCNet Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwini K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. And coming to the present content of the video, here the Gurugram University. It is a state university under the Haryana, and here you can check down the walk-in interview for the mathematics department, and the walk-in interview is on 27 Jan 2021 at morning 11 o'clock, and the venue is also given here. You may check down. And the interested eligible candidates who possess the qualifications prescribed by the UGC for the post of assistant professor in the university may report for walk-in interview along with the filled application forms and the original documents or degrees at 9:30 a.m. with one set of self-attested copies of the same, and the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. And if you want to get the more details, then you may visit the official website. So for your reference purpose, this PDF link I will provide in the description box of this video. Okay, and here you can check down the salary also. The teaching resource persons will be paid honorarium 1000 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum 35,000 rupees for PhD candidates and 30,000 rupees per month for the non-PhD or the net qualified candidates. Okay, so the teaching resource person will stay in the department during working hours of the teaching department, and these are the few more instructions are given here, so you may check down, guys. So for the UGCNet and the non-PhD candidates, here the opportunity is there. So if you belongs to mathematics department, then you can apply, guys. It is a state university, and the second one is a private college. So let me check down. It is a PSGR, Krishnammal College for Women. Okay, and in this college, if you belongs to any one of these departments, okay, just check down, guys, here. So here different departments are there: history, economics, English literature, mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Okay, so MA English literature, okay, computer science, zoology, chemistry. So in these departments, if you are having the PG with UGCNet or without UGCNet, okay, and PhD also, so you may apply for this one. I will show you how to apply. And this college is in Tamil Nadu, guys. Here the contact number is also there, and here you may click on the jobs and careers. Okay, click on that one, then you will be directed to the mail ID. So here you can send your resume to this provide mail ID if you belongs to those departments, fine. So if you shortlisted, then they may call for the interview or for the written test. Okay, the selection procedure is not mentioned here, just only the mail ID is mentioned. Okay, so these are the two colleges where the notifications are announced, and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNet exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGCNet candidates who are preparing for the UGCNet exam in 2021. So the course number one is complete course for the NTA UGCNet paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards.
The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.